having a public holiday to celebrate the first ever Summer Olympic gold medal that we won in Fiji as a country. And so the public holiday will be on the 22nd of August, which is Monday week, and that is the day after the Victoria Sevens team arrives back from Rio. So they get back in on the 21st, and then on the 22nd will be the public holiday. In respect of the official celebrations, that's currently being worked out by the Honourable Prime Minister's office, the Fiji Rugby Union, and announcements to that effect will be made later on. But in the meantime, of course, we expect everybody to celebrate themselves. We want to see pockets of people and moving around. So we'd like to again congratulate and re-echo the sentiments of the Honourable Prime Minister about this wonderful victory that we've had. But we also wanted to make the announcement about the public holiday, so various employees and employers can plan accordingly to know that the public holiday will be on the 22nd of August. Thank you.
So, you mentioned plans underway for a national celebration. Would you have any indication of what we can expect, what the discussions are?
I would not like to preempt that. There's obviously detailed discussions going on between the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Fiji Rugby Union, and the Honourable Prime Minister's office, and they will be giving out more information in respect of that. And we said that the team arrives on the 21st of August, and the public holidays on the 22nd of August. 21st of August being a Sunday.
Your personal thoughts about the victory this morning?
It's obviously a wonderful, occasion for us. I mean, as we've said earlier on this morning when we were celebrating down on the 5th floor with all the staff, that in so many respects it is a wonderful achievement. We were the least populated country that participated at that level in the Olympics, as far as rugby was concerned, and probably the least resourced country, yet we won the gold medal. Of course, the reality is that rugby is a national sport of ours, and everybody's into it, right from somebody selling peanuts in the street to people working in offices to people out in the farms, people catching fish. Everybody's glued to the radio or to the television sets. It's a wonderful occasion. It's a wonderful achievement. We of course would like to congratulate Ben Ryan and the team, the wonderful sportsmen. They showed the potential of what the Fijian team can be. They've done many different things, as you know, in the Olympics, in terms of defense, in terms of the way they handle themselves psychologically. And it was not an easy tournament. And we can see that obviously there are teams such as Japan, etc., that could, on the day, upset any team. And the scoreline in many of the games actually showed that. The scoreline in the gold medal match obviously showed that who was the decisive winner. So it's a wonderful occasion, and we should all celebrate that. And we'd like to thank everybody for participating in the celebration and giving their prayers, their blessings, their best wishes to the team, and also to all the supporters, not just in Fiji but throughout the world, all Fijians from all over the place. You could see also from the TV screens that people, obviously Fijians who came from other parts of the world to support the team. So it's a wonderful occasion, and these people have really become role models for us too.
Can we expect some rewards from the government?
Well, the government had already announced, we had allocated, as you know, as announced in the budget. We had said that any winning individual or team that wins a gold medal will get $30,000 each. Silver was $20,000 and bronze was $10,000. Interestingly enough, we had a couple of business houses saying that they wish to contribute to the celebration process. So once that is all organized, we'll help them get in touch with the committee that will be in charge or responsible for the celebrations. Okay? Thank you. Wonderful. Wait.